Hello everyone, this is Parrish Black of the Inner City Crusaders, and Parrish Black, also known as Parrish the Prophet. Today is October 28th, 2011, a Friday morning, time 8:42 a.m. This video is about my drawings, the drawings that I made for my dreams. Today I felt led that I should show you, the YouTubers, all of my dream drawings. So if your guys did not understand what I was trying to say in my videos pertaining to my visions, dreams, prophecy, and stuff like that, maybe you guys can understand what I'm speaking about through my drawings. Stay tuned, because I have plenty of drawings to show you. Okay, all of my dream drawings can be found in Parrish Prophecy 1 through 5. This first drawing that you see here is a drawing of our sun. In this dream, I seen our sun go through a severe case of solar flares. Okay, so after the solar flares, something came in front of our sun and it clipped it. And a minute or two later, when the object that eclipsed our sun have gone away, I was able to see 3 or 4 planets around our sun. After the 3 or 4 objects were more or less away from our sun, I began to see a cloud that was shaped like a hand, and in this dream I'll call this hand the hand of God. There's another drawing about our sun, or something that appeared to be our sun, and right next to it I seen a very bright cloud behind this cloud. And when I looked upon what was in the sky, it appeared to me that there were 2 suns, the visible sun and another sun behind this cloud. Okay, this is the last drawing about the sun. In this dream, I believe this was our sun. Well, in any case, this object was very huge and appeared to have many sunspots upon it. And it gave off a glow, a circular halo. Next up is my moon drawings. Here is the first moon drawing. The moon is here. And in this dream I seen a very huge comet that had flown past our moon. This comet was very spectacular in the night sky, and I believe debris from the comet's tail had hit our moon. Okay, here's another dream drawing, which was divided in 2 parts. I had it in the same night when I dreamt this. The first stage of this dream was that I seen a comet approaching our moon, and as you see, the moon is a crescent, and this same comet has swirled around our crescent moon. In this dream, I seen, I believe, a full moon rising in the sky, and above it, or next to it, I seen a comet approach the moon. In this dream, I seen an asteroid approach our moon. As you see, our moon is in the background, and this asteroid was quite huge. This thing also may have been a meteor. And there are people praying and asking God to please don't let this object hit our earth. In this dream, I found myself at some shoreline or at some beach, and in the distance I seen a half moon. As you see, the bottom of the moon was lit and the top surface of the moon was darkened, and on the dark side of, or the shadow part of the moon, began to emanate steam or smoke off its surface. In this dream, I believe something had placed a shadow upon our moon. I can't really say if it was the earth that cast her shadow upon the moon. Well, in any case, I felt when I dreamt this that I need to draw it. In this dream, I found myself standing in front of my house here in Brooklyn, New York, and I looked down in the eastern sky. It was daytime, and as I looked down in the horizon with my telescope, I seen, I believe, our moon. Our moon was huge, and on the upper left side of the moon, I seen a geyser or something that resembled a volcano that had erupted. But I did not see this geyser or this whatever it was as being red. I seen it as white, like maybe steam or water emanating off the moon surface. In this dream, I stood outside at night and I looked up into the night sky, and I noticed that our moon, or something that appeared to be our moon, was extremely far away. In this dream, I seen, I believe, our moon, as you see there, in a crescent form, and I noticed a very bright spherical object was approaching our moon. Next up are drawings I made about stars or space. What you see before you is a supernova that have gone off in outer space. Why I call this a supernova? Well, because when I was dreaming this, I believe my angel had told me that this thing in the sky is a supernova. And as you see, there's multiple stars inside this thing here, or whatever they are. But I seen it in my dream. This drawing is about the great number of stars that I've seen beside the Orion constellation and Taurus constellation. Okay, right here you see the 3 belts of Orion. Well, beside the belts of Orion were all of these stars that appear practically from nowhere, and I believe the moon was extremely bright when I had this dream. In this dream, I heard a very loud, like sonic boom outside of a building that I was in. And I had gone outside, and I seen a very bright flash that resembled a five-pointed star. This incident in my dream took place over a city, over an American city. And after the sound and the appearance of this flash of light, I seen a brownish, grayish, whitish, small planetoid or spherical object appeared. And this object in this dream, I believe, gave off wind, or when it was spinning, it somehow like the solar winds. Well, this thing was like, you know, projecting wind from itself. I guess, how would I describe it? I guess its passage, when it passed the Earth, it done something with our atmosphere, have maybe caused great winds to take place upon the Earth. But anyhow, some type of wind was coming off this spherical object.